Hi, hello everybody. As you can see, I have a little bit of a new setup here. This like nylon background came folded, so there's like seams and stuff, and I hate it, but hopefully over time those seams will go away. Anyway, just wanted to put that out there. I know you can see where it was folded, because I know someone will be like, yo bitch. Anyway, I got Ipsy. Let's go. Let's just do this. Okay, so the bag is like super cute. I like the way it feels. I could just like touch this forever, but the bags aren't important, right? So the first thing in here is this little like fluffy eyeshadow brush, and this kind of brush is right up my alley. I use these so much. These like just fluffy little, I like it. Next in here we got 2 sheet masks. I'm not gonna use these today since there's only 2 of them, and I like to use them after like showers and stuff. But I love sheet masks. I've never used a sheet mask that I didn't like. This is an eyeshadow by Suva Beauty. I can't get this open. Ooh, it looks golden. This looks like a very like yellowy gold. I mean, it's pretty, yeah, for sure. Like from far away on the camera here, like it looks like really pretty, but close up, it's kind of like, my camera just like does not want to focus, but it's kind of patchy. So I don't know, we'll have to see how that applies to my lids. Who's this little guy? Confidence in a gel lotion, oil-free for all skin types, hydra-plumping, skin-transforming, weightless moisturizer for 72-hour hydration. This little guy is so small. Like, this will go on my face once. Let's just put it on right now. This doesn't feel like your traditional moisturizer. It's kind of like surprisingly thin. A little bit goes a long way with this, so I guess I will be able to get a few uses out of this small amount, but yeah, it feels more like a primer or something. Like, I don't know, it says it's oil free, but sure, okay, whatever. Oh, it's by It Cosmetics. Did I say that? I don't know. I mean, it's fine. I don't mind it so much. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. And the last thing, Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara by Thrive Cosmetics, like as if they're doing shit for a cause. What is your cause? Okay, for every product purchase, 1 is donated to help a woman thrive. Well, that's pretty cool. It doesn't say where things are donated to, but you know. I know I always complain about getting mascaras and they just keep sending them. Ooh, but this is the kind of brush I like. Like, it's not like super fluffy or anything. Okay, so that was everything in Ipsy. Let's go ahead and start putting stuff on my face. What I've started doing lately is that I've been doing my eyeshadow stuff first to avoid fallout, so let's do that real fast. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do like a basic smoky crease. This is a pure palette that BoxyCharm sent me like a long time ago, and I pretty much can't use anything in this on my face because it's just too dark for literally every part of my body. This is nice for my eyebrows, and then this one like I can use in my crease, which is what I'm going to do today. So using this new eyeshadow brush, let's see what we can do. I realized I didn't even like mention where this brush is from. Oh, it's a Luxie brush. No wonder I like it. Yeah, it's, you know, small enough to get, you know, a little detailed as you can with smoking it out, but it's also like nice and fluffy. It helps blend. It's just real nice. Yeah, this is a good brush. I'll definitely be using it a lot. As far as this eyeshadow goes, I'm gonna just dip my finger in and do it that way, and then if I don't like the results, I'll just wet a brush and try it that way, but this kind of eyeshadow should go on well with a finger. Oh, honey. This eyeshadow is really pretty. Yeah, it applied really well with my finger. I can only imagine like how well it would do with a wet brush. Yeah, especially under these lights, it's super gorgeous. Yeah, it performed better than I expected it to, so cool. All right, I'm gonna throw on a base real fast. I'm just gonna prime and then throw on some foundation and concealer and stuff. Okay, so the final thing we have to try is this mascara. Let's just throw it on. I like that sound. I can't say that this is my favorite mascara in the world. Like, it's alright. It was definitely really easy to get the spider leg look, you know what I'm saying? Building it up didn't necessarily add volume, it just kind of made them look spider leggy, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I mean, it's not bad. You might just have to use it a little more sparingly than usual. It's alright. That was everything in this month's Ipsy bag. I'm kind of underwhelmed. There's nothing here that I'm like super excited about, super stoked about. So it's like, it's okay. I'm not upset about anything, but I'm also not stoked. So what can you do? But I'm glad things worked out because I have to go take my daughter to ballet class now. So I was hoping I wouldn't end up looking crazy. I always take a risk with these things. I'm like, I have to go out in a few hours. Do I risk looking crazy or do I just use makeup I know what it's gonna look like? And I took the risk and it's fine. I guess there's nothing else to talk about here. I will see you guys. Actually, I did want to say, next week is going to be another MLM deep dive and I'm really excited about it. I've been researching it for a few weeks and I hope you guys really dig it. But yeah, finally I'm taking a deep dive into one specific company again. I haven't done that since my Young Living series, so that'll be cool. And that's it. I will see you guys next week. Bye.